Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Renault Trafic van, stock reference number 4944. This shape runs from the first month 2015 and is the current shape. It has an R9M, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. R9M, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, left front, 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door also appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left hand lower tail light, left hand upper tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, right front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, just a media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.